Much trouble? They said, well, Jen, you've never been in trouble. Don't do it again.
I want to let it acclimate a little bit.
Acclimate.
And so is there no one needs to do it? We're going to have to have a long line on here.
Here.
Oh, I need that rope. Somebody's rope.
That's Susan's. Here, boy.
Yeah, make sure he doesn't eat it.
Well, yeah, but I just wanted to. I've never been out here.
No, you keep fighting.
Is that so long? Is that part of your view?
That's mine. That's why I broke my ball.
There you go.
Jay, you're so good. Thank you.
You want to fight? Go fight. Here's the
Yeah, I
rules.
say let him go. That's what I.
You don't go back to the truck and take gun shit.
Oh, it's out of foot.
Yeah, exactly. And then you get weird.
Oh, good. Oh.
Different than a dog. Teach them what?
Yeah, they already know how to fight.
Yes.
They need to know when.
Teach them when.
Oh, we got a leg wrap.
So, Miss Melody, you know how I love you and I got to pick on you. You were doing this right here when you're playing. You were doing that pendulum.
Okay.
More excited.
Oh, wow. Want it? You want it? Yeah. You want it?
Nice holder. Nice holder.
Come on.
Woo! The handler and the dog on the same.
Good boy. Come on.
And no barking from either one.
Come on.
So, Miss Melody, you did misses in front, so you went miss and in front. Can you do misses only like there's a left nail in your foot? Miss. Miss. Just go one direction with him at this age.
So just one.
Yeah, can I see him? Is it okay? And you can out him. You want to lift him up in the house? You can lift him up in the house.
So let me show you what I mean. All right, let him go. So miss. Miss. You see I'm not moving my body. You were doing this.
Back and forth.
Then you get all tangled here.
Yeah.
But if you just stay on one side, it's going to be easier. You know what I mean? So try not to cross your body or it's going to get kind of messy.
Gotcha.
Cross your body, right? No, keep pivoting.
Oh, gotcha.
Yes. 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 Now bite. There.
Woo. I made this up easy. Good boy. Good boy. Oh, what happened?
Then you can go left if you want next time. Left misses.
What?
Well,
Yeah, I'll do
but
it.
you know what I mean, though?
Woo! Good boy. Woo! Come on, go. Yay. Good. Good. That's a boy. Yeah. I did it again.
Yep. There.
Good boy.
That's a lot more lively.
Yep.
Then your hand's not going to get bit and everything else.
Yeah, that's a good boy.
Nice, Melody. That was perfect.
I think that's enough. Well, I just don't, I wanted to still want it when it. So never